Hello students of class 5. So last we interacted through Zoom app. It was really a nice experience for me. I have connected with you. So I came to know that all of you are studying at home and many students are doing some good activities. They are doing many creative works also. So please try to get busy in some works, in some good works. I already told you during our interaction in Zoom. So please try to do. And one more thing, that is about studies. So don't forget to study. That is the most important thing. So if you have any doubt, already I told you, you can ask me. Okay, you can call me. So and study well. Okay, keep practicing. So next I'm going to start the new chapter. Okay, so the chapter name is factors. That is the most important chapter. Okay, you will find many applications of this chapter later on. Okay, so let us start chapter number 4, that is factors. Okay, so first of all, what are factors? See, if we take two numbers and we multiply the two numbers, okay, then we will find the answer, and the answer is called the product. And the numbers which are multiplied are called the factors of that product. Okay, for example, if I multiply 2 and 3, I will get 6. Okay, 6 is the product, 6 is called the product, where 2 and 3 are called the factors of 6. Okay, so like that we have to study more. So we have to learn about the divisibility test. Many of you have got this earlier also, but I will again continue that topic. Okay, so first of all, you can write the definition of factors. That is, if we multiply two numbers, then we get product, and the numbers which are multiplied are called the factors of the product. Okay, so here is the definition. The numbers that are multiplied to find the product are called its factors. Okay, so for example, the factors of 6, we can write it as 1, 2, 3 and 6. Okay, next, number 2 is factors of 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, next is the factor of 6. I have again, see, by randomly we can write also the factors, and we use multiplication table, or we can use division to find the factors of a given number. For example, if we multiply, we have to check that when we multiply two numbers and we get 6. Okay, so we have to check which two numbers when we multiply to get 6. So here the first possibility is 1 into 6 is equal to 6. That means 1 is also the factor of 6 and 6 is also the factor of 6. And the second one I have written 2 into 3 is equal to what? 6. So here 2 and 3 are also the factors of 6. Okay. So next is using division. So using division, you have to divide that number, that is the given number. So here we are finding the factors of 6. That means we have to take the number. Okay, I have taken the number, and we have to check that this number is divisible by which number. Okay, so here 6 is divisible by 1 first of all, and second 6 is divisible by 2. Okay, thirdly 6 is divisible by 3 also. Okay, we can write it also, but see, that will be same. Okay, see here I can write 3, it will be 2. So see here, so what are the factors of 6? First is 1, second is 6, third is 2, fourth is 3. If again I will write this one, so again 3 will repeat again and 2 also will repeat again. So that's why I have not written the third line. Okay, so that means the total factors of 6 are 4. That is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So there are many ways of finding factors of a given number. Okay, so next, come to the next topic, that is factor tree. So what is factor tree? Factor tree helps us to find different ways of making a number by multiply. So we have to break the number. Okay, you have to break the number into two parts, like that we will do for a number. Okay, so let us write the factor tree of 36. Okay, So see, this is the diagram of factor tree of a number. Why it is called tree? Because you know na, the tree also has branches na, so like that. Okay, this is a tree type structure, that's why it is called factor tree. So what we have to do, see, we have 36. So first of all, 36 is divisible by 2. We can divide 36 by what? 36 by 2. So see, 2 18s are 36. Okay, so I have written 2 into 18. We have to write like this. We have to make a line, and then we have to write 2 in one circle, and in second circle we have to write 18. So here see, 2 cannot be factorized further. Okay, we cannot break 2 further into 2 numbers. Okay, we can write 2 as 2 into 1, but again in factor tree we cannot use 1. Okay, we can use 2, we can use 3, but we cannot use 1. Okay, so here we cannot use 1. You can use from 2 onwards. So 2 18s are, so again 18 we can break it into 2 parts. So 18 comes in the table of 2, as you all know. So we can write 2 into what? 9. Okay, so 2 into 9. Again 2 cannot be, we cannot break 2 further. Okay, so we can break 9. So okay, we can write 3 into 3. So here 3 into 3. And see, which are not factorized, here it is not called break. Okay, here it is called factor, means we are finding the factor, that's why it is called factorized. Okay, factorize. So we can say factorize. So here 2 cannot be factorized, so we have to write it like that only. Similarly here 2 cannot be factorized, means we cannot break it, so we have to write 2 again. But here 9, we can break 9 into 2 parts, that is 3 into 3. That's why I have written here. So 9 can be factorized into 3 and 3. So see here, you have to stop. When you have to stop? When you need to use 1 as a factor. So now see, we can break 3 into 2 parts, but we have to write 3 into 1. Okay, again 1 will come, but we cannot use 1 in the factor tree. As I already told, you cannot use 1. We have to start it with 2. Okay, so in this position we have to stop because we cannot use 1. Okay, so this is called the factor tree. So this is the factor tree of 36. Finally you have to write 36 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And also you can check your factor tree is correct or not. So how you have to check? If your these steps, means these inner steps are correct, then final step, that is this one, you have to multiply all the numbers. So multiply all the numbers, you will get the number 36. See here, 2 2s are, that will be 4, 4 3s are, will be 12, and 12 3s are is 36. So finally this is the factor tree of 36. Okay, so let us do exercise 4.1 today. So come to question number 1. Find the factors of the following. So number A is 10. Okay, so you can use multiplication as well as division. So I will do using multiplication. So let us do it. Question number 1A. So this is the answer. See, factors of 10, we by using multiplication we can write 1 into 10 is equal to 10, and secondly we can write 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Again see, we can write 10 into 1 is equal to 10 also, but by that way what will happen? See, again the first step is repeating here. Okay, this step is repeated, we are repeating here, so no need to write. When repetition comes, no need to write the repetition. Okay, don't repeat it again. So this is repeating again in the third step, so no need to write the third step. So by this way we can say, therefore the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Okay, so next come to the next question, that is question number 2. Use question 1 to find the common factors of the following. So here I will do number C. So in question number 2 we have to find the factors of 2 number first, and then we have to find the common factors. Okay, so see here, I have taken question number 2, C. So 16. First of all, you have to write factors of 16. So I have used multiplication. So first of all, 1 into 16 is 16. Then second, you have to take 2. 2 8s are 16. Then next is 4 4s are 16. So what are the factors of 16? See, like that you have to write. First of all 1, then 2, then 4. Okay. Then again 4. So don't repeat it again. Just 1 4 you have to write. Then 8. Then 16. So like this way you have to go. You have to start from this way. Okay. Then you have to go in this way. Then go this way. Okay. Like that you have to go. Similarly, factors of 30. First go from this direction. So 1, then comma 2, then 3, then 5, then 6, then you can write 10, then 15, then 30. Okay. So now you have to write the common factors of both the numbers. So see, I have circled the common numbers. So here you can see the common numbers are 1 and the second common number is 2. So we can say that the common factors of 16 and 30 are 1 and 2. So in last line you have to write common factors of 16 and 30 are 1 and 2. Okay, so like that do all the questions, okay, of question 2. And next is question number 3, that is you have to make a factor tree. So you can do it. I already done one factor tree. I have already drawn the factor tree for 36. So there is a question of 36 also. So please try to do it, and if you find any difficulty, please ask me. Okay. Okay then, bye bye. Thank you.